Good day, everyone. Today we will having our discussion about this A graph.
A graph is a nonlinear data structure consisting of nodes, vertices, and edges. Vertices represent entitled entities, and edges represent the relationship between these entities. So, when you say vertices, these are individual elements or points in the graph represented by circles or dots. When you say edges naman, these are the connections between the nodes represented by lines or arrows. So now we have the types of graph. First, directed graph, undirected graph, weighted graph, and unweighted graph. So now we have the first types of graph, the directed graph. Directed graph is edges have a direction indicating a one-way relationship. So as you can see at the picture or at our slides, there's an arrow indicating, and the second we have undirected graph. Edges have no direction, indicating a two-way relationship. So, as you can see, there's no direction or there's no arrow indicating of it.
And third, weighted graph. Edges have weights representing the cost or distance of the relationship. Weighted graph, real life example. Google Maps or GPS navigation. Places are nodes, roads are the edges. Number on the edges represent distance, time, or cost. Why it matters. Weighted graphs are used to find the shortest, fastest, or cheapest route. And fourth, unweighted graph. Edges have no weights. And real life example of unweighted graphs, social media friendships. People are nodes. Friendship is edge. There is no number or value, only whether people are connected or not. Why it matters. Use when only connections matter, not distance or cost. And fifth, cyclic graph contains cycle. Cycle graphs, real life example. A group of friendship where everyone knows each other. You can start at one person and eventually return to the same person. The connection form a loop. Another example, circular or roundabout routes. And last, a cyclic graph does not contain cycle. And real life example, family tree, parents, and childs. You must come from your parents before you become a child and the next generations. You cannot go back and become the parent of your own parents.
Types of graphs. Social networks are representing relationship between users. Mapping system representing grids and locations. Computer networks representing networks and connections. Recommendation system representing relationship between items. Social networks. A social network is a structure that show how users are connected or related to each other. This relationship can include friendship, communication, following, or collaborations. Example, Facebook is a social network where users are connected as friends. Each user is node, and the friendship between users is a connection showing how people are related within the network. Mapping system. A mapping system is the represent road and locations is called a geographic information system or GIS. Or a digital map system, it visually show roads, places, and landmarks, and how they are connected to each other in a real world space. Example, Google Maps is a mapping system where locations are represent as points, roads are represented as lines, and areas are represented as shapes. This system helps us navigate, find roads, and locate places efficiently. Computer networks. A computer networks is a system that represents network connections and is called a network topology. It shows how devices are connected and how data flows between them. Example, a LAN or local area networks in a school or office. Devices are nodes and cables or Wi-Fi links are the connections. A common example is a star topology where all computers to a central switch or router. Recommendation system. A recommendation system is a system that represents and analyzes relationship between items or users to suggest relevant items to our users. Example, Netflix uses a recommendation systems where items are connected based or similarly genre using ratings watch histories. If many users watch movie A and B, the system links them and recommended movie B to user who watched movie A. This helps users develop a content they are likely to enjoy.
Next, we will be discussing about the graph representation. Adjacency matrix, a 2D array where matrix represents the presence or weight of an edge between vertex and vertex. Pros, simple to implement, quick to check the existence of an edge, and cons, high memory usage for sparse graph and graphs with few edges. Next is adjacency list. Each vertex has a list of adjacent vertices. Pros, efficient for sparse graphs, lower memory usage. Cons, slower to check the existence of an edge. So this is the adjacency matrix and adjacency list. And now, for clarification, we'll be having a short explanation about the adjacency matrix and adjacency list. These are the two examples of adjacency matrix. Here is a column which have vertices and edges, which is the numbers. So in the vertices, we have Alice, Bob, Carol, and Dave. So there is a question. Who is connected to Bob? In here, we'll be having and seeing Bob, which have a one connection with Alice, and that is their relationship or their edges. And next, Carol and Alice having one relationship also. And that is a simple explanation about the matrix adjacency. So, ano na siyang maging answer? Bisa ko lang maging hatag. So kung explain ko man nga alam mo siya ang answer. So first we have this A is connected sa B and C. Paano siya naging connected? So basically kani ang vertices of edges, di bali sa edge na sa nag-base ang muna siya ang value niya. So ang nag-connected ang B hanggang A since we have one value which is this. And next sa C, A and C, meron sila one value at the same time. Still the same sa B, C, and D. So ang B connected siya sa A, which is that. And D, continue sa C, and D, and C hanggang D. That's simple.
In summary, a graph is a data structure made of vertices, nodes, and edges connections. Graphs can be directed, undirected, weighted, unweighted, cyclic, or acyclic. They are represented using adjacency matrices or adjacency list and are used in real-world systems like social networks, maps, computer networks, and recommendation systems.